Hey traders, in this video, I'm going to be trading cryptocurrencies and potentially making a profit. I'm going to be going through my live thoughts while making these trades. So first off right here, we have Tron. Just taking a look at some different cryptocurrencies and seeing where they're headed. So right now, Tron is very volatile. So it was going upwards, now it's going back downwards. Potentially a resistance here, a resistance level that it cannot pass. So that's why it's going downwards. And it might have some further downwards momentum that we could leverage if things kind of take a really sharp turn downwards. So let's actually put a downwards buy right here. Things are starting to turn downwards quite a bit right here, so we can probably just scalp this and profit off of this. And right there, we made a huge profit. Okay, so let's go to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is going up quite a bit after this rally right here. And let's see, it might be coming up to a resistance level very soon. So that could be very interesting to play. And overall, right now though, it's in a very volatile spot, I would say. It's trending downwards in terms of the MACD. Momentum is upwards a little bit. The long moving average is downwards, all the short moving averages are upwards, so it's really all over the place. So I would be cautious when trading this. If I were to trade this, I'd probably only put $200 on the line, if that. So let's actually do that right now, because $200 is not much. We made a huge profit just now, and the thing's going upwards and downwards here. It's very hard to tell what's going to happen. I'm going to put the sell right here and see potentially what will happen. Because things are turning downwards here, things are upwards here. You're just not sure where things are headed. So I'm just put $200 on the line right there, see where things go. And right there, that was just a neutral trade, so it's fine. Let's head to some different cryptocurrencies though that have some better opportunities. So this doesn't really have too much interesting. Let's go to Avalanche. Avalanche here might be going upwards very soon, but it's hard to tell. Things are going upwards in terms of MACD, as you can tell right here. So it might be a buy. I put $300 into this. I'd like to see the momentum get into a green spot first. A lot of times you have to wait a little bit to find the right opportunity. Okay, let's do this. So in a green spot, which is good. Might have been better for a shorter term scalp, but let's see how this plays out. And we profited right there. Really great. Okay, and now let's go over to Tron. Here, things are taking an upturn, I would say. I'd like things to go down a little bit before I buy, but let's do right there. $300 on the line. Let's see what happens. Things are going downwards now a little bit. Down right here, red. So it's very volatile. I would say I lost this one, which is okay. So we're still in the green. You don't want to let emotions affect too much when it comes to scalping these cryptocurrencies. So things might be turning up to the green very soon on the momentum here, which is very positive. It's kind of a triangle shape it's creating right here, with this kind of being the point that it doesn't really break through. So here it might actually break through downwards, potentially. Let's see what happens though. I want to see this go to green, then potentially I put $200 on the line because it's a little bit riskier. Okay, it's not really getting to that area yet. You're gonna go downwards, and yeah, I would say it's not worth trading. Polkadot, Polkadot is in a good spot right here. It's going upwards on both the momentum and the MACD. So it's a very good spot right here. I put 350 on line right here, I'd say. Okay, see what happens. Momentum is continuing, as you can see. It's really great to see. And we profited huge time there. So let's make a few more trades, potentially 1 or 2 more trades, and see what happens from there. So we're playing with house money now, which is the best way to trade, right? You're playing with the money that you won today. So that's really great. So here, we'll trade this. Go back to Becoin potentially. See what's happening there. So like predicted, kind of it just went to this kind of level right here, broke up a little bit, and then fell right down. It was a false breakout. And right now it's kind of just falling down to this level, then went back up. Let's see what's happening right now. It's very hard to tell. It's not clear, and I don't like it when it's not clear. I like to see multiple indicators kind of align up. That's when you can tell it's a good trade. Solana. So here. Also very volatile. It's like a green stick, then red stick, then green stick, then red stick, then green stick, then red stick. You know, so I wouldn't trade that. Polkadot. Again, very volatile. Here, there was just a crossover that happened right here, actually. So it might be worth doing a $200 trade here. See though. Okay. So that was a longer trade than I anticipated. I actually wanted this to be a 15-second trade. I'm not sure why this switched. But let's just wait for this to happen. So this trade would have actually already been done because it would already be past the 15-second mark, actually. But it's fine. Sometimes this happens. I might have been on BNB before and changed it to 1 second, so it just remembered that it changed to 1 second. So this is just a reminder to kind of just make sure that everything is aligned up when it comes to your trading setup. But overall, Pocket Option is just one of my favorites in terms of trading. They have really good demo trading, so you can trade with $0 on the line. You can also do social trading. So a lot of times I copy experienced traders to see what they're doing, and I profit big time, and I learn from their strategies. And right there, we just profited right there. So Pocket Option is really great. I would say the minimum deposit is super low, $5-10 you can trade. And the best part is you can go to Becoin.net. That's right here, Becoin.net. That's what I use to sign up. And on Becoin.net, all you have to do is just click Pocket Option, enter this promo code, you'll get 50% off your first deposit. So if you deposit, let's say $100, you get 50% off that, right? So that's really great. You can also use Becoin.net for cryptocurrency predictions. This is more for swing trading, long-term trading, but really great here. So right here, Bitcoin in the next year is predicted to go to around 117,000 from this date right here. And I just find Becoin.net to be one of the most useful tools. I recommend using it, and you can sign up with Pocket Option using Becoin.net.